Hey there everybody, we have an unboxing to do today. So let's get this box cut open. Okay. What do we have in there? Oh boy, looks like a hatchet. It is a Husqvarna 13-inch hatchet. Wow, that's heavy. That is a heavy hatchet. Well, that's all that's in there other than some bubble plastic, so let me get this box out of the way. There's the tag. It's held on with a little piece of twine or something there. It's got the Husqvarna logo, which I believe is a gun barrel, and these are like iron sights because they used to be a gun manufacturer years ago. It says hand forged, made in Sweden. That's probably pretty hard to see. Okay, this is what one side of it looks like. It's got a little leather blade mask there. Not maybe a full real sheath, but a mask. It looks like it doesn't have a welt in there, which is kind of chintzy. Let's see here. It says don't hammer on the back of the hatchet. And what else? I guess don't drive stakes in with it, but that's just ridiculous. They're worried about the metal, like, what would you call it, like fish eyeing out or something. But chances are, if you're just hammering in a tent stake or something like that, you'll be fine. It's got a nice wedges in there. It's got a wood wedge. Unless, yeah, it's wood. It looked almost like plastic or fiberglass. You know what? That could be fiberglass. It's got a weird pattern on it. And then this is metal. That's different. I can't get over, like, the weight of this. Like, it's got some weight. I guess these are, they say hand made in Sweden, but I mean, they do it in big machinery. I ordered this because I like the handle. I really like the stout, thick handle. I have a lot of hatchets and a lot of axes with the thinner handles, and they're great. I just wanted something different. And this definitely looked like it fit the bill. It's a hickory handle. The grain is okay. I would give it about a C+ or a B. Definitely, it's not perfect, but it's almost perfect as far as the direction it's running. Let's get this mask off. It's a leather mask. This looks like, these look like brass, but maybe they're something else. I think they're brass. This comes right off. Okay, this is what the blade looks like. Those aren't chips. This is little pieces of like leather mask on there. And let's see, can you see that? And this way, definitely could use some work. I can tell just by looking at it, it could use some work. But so far, so good. Let's see how straight it looks. Pretty decent. Look down it this way. It's hung pretty good. I wouldn't say it's perfect, but it's decent. Looks fairly okay. It's nighttime, so I don't have a lot of great light in here tonight. Let's do a measurement and see what the lengths of everything is with this. Okay, you're looking at just about 3.5 for the blade. We're looking at 6 inches for the entire head. It is about 15 inches overall, maybe just slightly past 15. That right. And the handle, the part that you can hold right here, is 13. It's listed as a 13-inch hatchet, but it does have a 13-inch handle, but it's 15 inches overall. Okay, we're going to do a paper cut test to see how sharp this arrived right out of the box. Quite sharp. This is probably one of the sharpest hatchets right out of the box that I've got in a long time. Look at that. Now, I don't know if they're all gonna come as sharp as mine did, but mine is definitely sharp. It's got some of that scaling on it from being like hand forged. I really like it. So far, I haven't taken it out and used it, but so far it seems okay. Looks like it's slightly tipped this way a little bit, which is fine. I thought a lot of people make a big deal about how thick this handle is, but for my hand, I don't think it feels all that huge. I mean, it feels pretty good, feels fine. It's got a nice swell down here, stop your hand from coming off. I'll probably put a lanyard in it, a paracord, like 550 paracord. And also, one of my favorite things to do is to put some Ranger band on it. So that gives you like such awesome grip. So I'll probably do that also. I've heard some videos where they said the handle was pretty rough, like it wasn't sanded too well, but mine seems to be sanded just fine. It's quite smooth. And the blade's very sharp. It's kind of weird how the long wedge there almost has like a crisscross kind of fiberglass kind of look to it. But it looks okay. I like the emblem on there. Hand forged, made in Sweden. Looks pretty cool. Husqvarna. I guess that's how you say it. Husqvarna. Pretty neat hatchet. These are under 50 bucks. I think I got this for like 39. Comes with a fairly thick leather mask for the blade. Kind of sucks that there's no leather welt in there, but you can see in there it looks like it's pinched quite tight. You can see down in there, so I don't think the blade will hit the rivets there unless you were to really slam it hard on the edge or something. But it's got a nice snap. Wow, tight snap, but that would definitely do the job. I mean, you can't wear it on your belt with this, you know. Just throw it in a backpack or in the pocket on your haversack, like your Hidden Woodsman haversack has an axe sleeve on there that you could drop this right into. That'd be pretty sweet. Does have some weight. I don't have a scale to weigh it, so just to me, the head of it feels like close to 2 pounds. Maybe slightly over. I don't know if they rate it that heavy, but that's what it feels like. I'm thinking like 2.5 pounds at least. Maybe about 1/2 pound for the Hickory handle. But wow, that's a nice heavy hatchet. It's kind of like thick, like it would be a good splitter, but it's also not too thick, so I think it would chop okay. But until you get it out and actually use it, you never really know. This was just an unboxing and a first look at it. Okay, focus. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing review of the Husqvarna 13-inch, although it's really 15-inch, hatchet. with the leather mask. This is Joe Doomsday signing out.